Good afternoon, children. So this chapter is from this chapter onwards, lot of theorems are there. Okay, children. So the theorems means to prove nothing will be given, no angles. We have to prove in step by step. So this is this chapter, the lines and angles, and the remaining other chapters also. Some chapters are only theorems. Okay, children. So first, I have given some questions for you, right? What was the previous question? Is it 105 and 75 degree? Is it 105?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write the next question. You should use take a page for writing. Okay. Wait, children. Okay. Can you see the board? Can you see the board, children?
Yes.
Okay, children. So, which question it is? Which is the question number? Question number, will you tell?
8.
8. Okay. Question number 8. So, in this also there is a figure. In between some are coming. Okay, children. Write the question. In the figure, ray OR and ray OT, ray OR and ray OT. Ray OT are angle bisectors. Angle bisectors of angle POS and angle SOQ respectively. If angle POS equal to X, find angle ROT. There is a figure. Draw this figure also. Do you have the scale and the pencil with you? Okay, children. Did you see the question? See, children? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry for the trouble. Sorry for the trouble. Okay, this was the question, right? This was the question. Okay, children, now listen. Listen, all of you. Yes, children? Yes? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? 9A, children?
Yes, ma'am.
9A. Some other people are centered. See, children? See, our question is in the figure. So, this is the most important one. In the figure, ray OR and ray OT are angle bisectors. Can you hear me? Nobody's answer. Any problem is there in between? Hello? Can you hear me, Adidev?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Did you write down the question, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
just look at the question. In this, it is very important. Listen carefully. Ray OR and ray OT. Can you find those two rays from the figure? In the figure, can you find those two rays? Ray OR and ray OT? Ray OR. This ray. I have made one red line here. That is ray OR. Is the angle bisector of POS. What do you mean by that? POS. Ray OR is the angle bisector of POS. What is the meaning of that, children? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by angle bisectors?
Dividing into two
Dividing
equal
into
angles.
two
Equal angles.
equal angles. Good. So angle bisectors means that ray OR, divide this angle POS into two equal parts. Suppose if it is 60 degree, the two angles will be total. If it is 60 degree, what are the angle bisectors angles?
30, 30.
30 and 30. Okay. So these two angles will be equal. I have marked this. Okay, children. Again it is given that ray OT. Ray OT is the angle bisector of angle SOQ. What is the meaning of that? Ray OT. Ray OT divide. Ray OT divide. Can you see that green ray?
On your videos when you are
Okay.
not
Good
on.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Which class is this?
9A, sir. 9A. Second period. Morning session. Morning one
They are
session.
not owning the videos.
Yes, sir. That is the problem. That is.
How many times we are to tell?
Yes. Okay, children. Turn on your videos. All of you.
Adil Mohammed,
Adil Mohammed, if you have any problem, you tell it.
Pratyush, Savio, Johan, Nirupama. Any problem?
Okay, children. Can you see that green line?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is a green ray, that is the ray OT. Ray OT is also an angle bisector. Means angle bisector of which angle? Angle SOQ. Clear? So there are two angle bisectors. One is ray OR and the other is Hadi Amin. Are you writing something?
Yes.
Then what
Yes.
are the angle bisectors? Two rays
Vinita.
are there. Yes.
Vinita,
Yes, sir.
Mark absent. Adil, Mohammed, Pratyush,
Okay, sir. Okay,
Nirupam,
sir.
Johan. Nirupam came just now.
Yes, Nirupama came just now.
Johan, Savio, Pratyush, Adil Mohammed.
Savio, I don't know whether they are there or not. Savio?
Yes, ma'am.
Savio, can you turn on the video?
Ma'am, when I turn on the video, I am not able to attend the class.
Sir. Okay, then Johan. What is the problem? If you have any problem, you
Yes,
tell
and
the
a
problem.
message.
Yes.
Yes, some problem.
Yes, yes. Johan also messaged me, then Pratyush and Adil Mohammed. You also tell, is there any problem with your connection? So that we can understand. And Afsana? Yes, children? I don't, Afsana? Do you have any connectivity issues? So, okay, sir. Adil also
It's okay,
messaged.
please come.
Pratyush also. If I switch on the video, I won't be able to hear you. So these are the problems.
Okay.
Okay, children. Okay. So where are the two? What are the two rays? Angle bisectors. Can you find out the angle bisectors? Angle bisectors means the ray or the line which divide the angle into two equal parts. Angle bisectors. Bi means two. Two equally. So what are the rays? There are two rays. One is angle ray OR and ray OT. Did you understand that, children? These things are given in the question. And one more thing is given. If angle POS, this total angle, this full angle is X, find angle ROT. You have to find angle ROT. Okay, children? Here, you have to find this angle ROT. These many things are given in the question. Okay. So we have to solve it. Shall I draw that figure again? Okay, children, there is a ray. And the name of the ray is? It is POQ. Line POQ. And this is the ray OR and this is the ray OT. Okay, children? And these are the angle bisectors. And we will get to the angle like this. Both are equal here. And I'll give some another color. These two angles are equal. And we have to find this. Okay. Okay. Okay, children. Did you understand the question?
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you understand the question? In this, first sentence is ray OS stands on a line POQ. Ray OS stands on a line POQ. Did you understand that? Can you able to understand the clue from this? In the figure. Listen, children. Listen, children. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Did you understand? Ray OS stands on a line POQ. Okay. Ray OS stands on a line POQ. That means, 1 minute, I'll draw it. See? What did you understand from that? This is a straight line. POQ is a straight line. And ray OS. Okay, children? This red line, just now I marked. This is the mean. What is the meaning of this? Can you tell this?
Linear pair.
Yes.
Linear pair.
Linear pair. That means ray OS stands on a line. Each and every sentence, there is a clue for our answer. Okay. Ray OS stands on a line POQ means you will find two angles which are the linear pairs. Can you find out those angles? Yes, children? This red line, just now I marked. This red line, can you see?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see? Yes. Now, can you find out the linear pairs? What are the linear pairs? Linear pair angles. Yes. Okay, children? Can you see that linear pair properly now? Respond. Can you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
the linear pair? Can you identify the linear pair from that?
PRS.
PRS. R is here, right? What are the linear pairs I am drawing again and again to show you that? To show you the linear pair.
POS.
Yes. No problem. You take the time and tell.
POQ.
POS. Okay. Angle POS. And what are the other angle?
QOS.
QOS. Good. Okay. So from that sentence, we will get two angles which are linear pair. That means they are supplementary. What is the meaning of linear pair? Adjacent angle, same time, supplementary. Okay, children. So you will get that main important sentence from that important equation. That is angle POS plus angle SOQ. Can you tell the answer? Yes, children? Angle POS plus angle SOQ equal to how much?
180.
180 degree. Because it is the linear pair. You have to write the answer also as linear pair. Okay, children, think and tell. Okay, this is a starting of your theorems. So, no need of in a hurry to tell the answer. Okay, children. And it is given in the question that, it is given in the question, angle POS equal to X. Okay, can we substitute that in angle POS?
X
In
plus
this? Okay, so what will happen to our, this angle POS plus angle SOQ equal to 180 degree. If you substitute angle POS instead of that, what
X.
will you get?
X plus angle
X
SOQ is
plus
equal to 180.
angle SOQ equal to 180 degree. Okay, children. Now, what is angle SOQ from this? Can you shift that X to that side? Yes? Yes,
180
children?
means
180 minus, very less people are telling the answers, others are keeping quiet. It is a very easy portion. It is a very easy portion, very easy theorem. You have to tell the answer. Okay, children. Did you understand that?
yes, ma'am.
This much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, next Next line. In the question, it is telling that ray OR bisect angle POS. Okay, children, see. Ray OR. Okay, I'll use some other color. Okay, children, ray OR bisect angle POS. Isn't it? What is POS here? POS. What is POS?
X.
X. So, can we substitute there? Can you substitute? Ray OR bisect angle POS. Children, ray OR bisect angle POS. See, children, did you understand? Now look at the question. I will show you one thing. Listen, children. We have to find this. See, I'll tell you how to find this. See, how the theorem is moving, I'll show you. Can you see this violet color ink? Can you see? Tell the answer. Yes. This, see, children, we have to find this angle. Okay. This violet color, this angle you have to find. That is the question. Okay. For finding that angle, we have to find this angle and this angle. Clear? And when you add, you will get the answer. So that is our aim. Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Angle ROT. This angle ROT we have to find. So this ROT consists of two angles. What are the two angles? See this. What are the two angles? This ROS, SOT.
And
When you
SOT.
add these two angles, you will get that total angle. Correct? Middle angle, isn't it? So we have to find ROS and we have to find SOT and you have to add both. Now did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So for that we are coming to the point. Now listen carefully. It is given that angle POS equal to X. Okay. POS is X. Now can you find if this big angle is X? Okay, children, 1 minute. Again I will draw this. Okay. Okay, children, this angle POQ. Now you also try to answer, okay? Don't keep silent like this. Okay, children? I try to trying that you should tell the answer. I am trying like that way, okay? You have to respond. Okay, children, it is given that this POS, this angle is X. This full angle is X. So it is given that it is angle bisector. So can you find this? This angle? Yes, children, this one. See, I am marking with the different colors so that you can understand. See, this angle, this full angle is X and it is given that it is the angle bisector. So can you find this? One more example I'll give you. Instead of X, if it is 60 degree, what is the other angle which I have marked now?
60 degree.
60 itself.
Full
60.
angle is 60 degree. Then what is this?
30.
30 degree.
How did you get that 30?
Half of 60.
Half of 60. Very good, very good. Okay, think like that. But it is given that X. Then what is ROS?
X by 2.
X by 2.
X by 2. Good. Okay. So if POS, that full angle is 60 degree. Then it is given that ray OR is the bisector of it. That means it divides the angle into 2 equal half. If it is 60, it is 30. If it is 100, it will be 50. Listen, if full angle is 100, then the small one is half of it, right? How much it will be?
50.
50. Now if it is X, what is the angle here? X by 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So up to that, did you understand? Okay,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you are keeping silent like this, it will be very difficult for me to explain. Okay, children? So you have to think. Okay. So ray OR bisect angle POS. Therefore, ROS equal to half of angle POS equal to half of X. That is X by 2. Equation number 1. Okay. Up to this you write. Afterwards I'll erase the board. Up to this. I don't know whether you have written it or not. Fast. Okay, children, otherwise, listen, it is not finished yet. Listen, children, only first part it is finished, second part is still there. Okay, I will explain it in the next class. Is it enough? Is it enough, children? It's time to wind up the class.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Shall I leave now? I will continue this in the next class. Okay, children. Don't worry, it is an easy chapter, but it is all the questions are theorems. Okay. So you have to write and study. I will explain it. I'll take time and explain, no problem. Okay, children? Shall I leave now?
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am.